least 235 people comprising of 52 males and 183 females have been compensated for various crimes since 2012 under Mizoram Victims of Crime Compensation Scheme 2011. As per a report, compensation amounting to over rupees 5.98 crore was disbursed to crime victims under the Crime Compensation Scheme from 2012 to 2019. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said the Citizenship Amendment Act was unnecessary. According to media reports, Hasina yesterday said she did not understand the reason behind the BJP-led central government's move to implement CAA. Although NRC and CCA were India's internal matter, she called the act unnecessary. Launching a static attack against Kolkata-based intellectuals and prominent personalities for protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act, BJP MP Sumitra Khan described them as Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's dogs. As per reports, speaking to reporters, Khan said people who consider themselves as intellectuals don't speak up during Park Street and Kamduni incidents. They are nothing but Mamata Banerjee's dogs. USA and Britain will play the final match of the 5th Manipur Statehood Days Polo Tournament tomorrow at Mapal Kangjabung Polo Ground in Impal West. To be mentioned, the ongoing event is India's only women polo tournament. Meghalaya is mulling to implement the education policy of Aam Aadmi Party in the state. However, the policy will be implemented only in parts. With this intention in mind, State Education Minister Lakshman Rimbooi is on a visit to New Delhi.